How is it going, guys? We are making our first modifications to the GR86 today. Now, it's not a huge modification, but it is something that I think every owner of this car and the BRZ should do because it does significantly change how the car looks. Most new cars in the US have to come with some sort of amber side marker like these. The problem is they look absolutely atrocious and they are a huge eyesore. Luckily, over in Japan, they have no such regulation, so they get these nice clear side markers that we're gonna be installing today. They're actually super easy to install. Although you saw me put this car on the lift, you can do this on the ground in your driveway within a couple of minutes. I just wanna be able to take the wheel off to show you guys clearly exactly what you need to do. We're working over on the driver's side, but both sides are gonna be the same. Just turn the wheel to the side that you're not working on to give yourself a little bit more space. We're gonna be looking for these 3 pop clips that are holding the fender liner in place that are behind the side marker. You just have to press in the center of the clip with a flathead screwdriver, like so, and then you can use the same screwdriver to pop it out of place. With those pop clips removed, we can pull the fender liner back, and that is gonna give us access to the back of the side marker with the nut and connector that we need to remove. Behind the fender liner, this is what we're looking for. There is a black connector down here that we're gonna unplug, and then a 10mm nut that we'll remove. Now all that's holding the side marker in place are these push tabs on the top and bottom, so we just need to squeeze those and push out at the same time to release it from the bumper. The new ones pop right into place, like so. We'll reinstall that 10mm nut, and then reinstall the connector. Get the fender liner put back on, and that's it. When you go to put these clips back, just make sure you push that middle section up, and then you're gonna slide them into place, and then you can push the middle section flush, and that's it. It really is that easy, guys. You can probably get both sides done in less than 10 minutes, and I think it makes a huge difference. I know aesthetic modifications are usually subjective, but I feel like this is one of those things that we can all agree upon. If you guys are wanting to pick up a set of these for yourself, they are available and in stock on our website. I know there's a couple sets left in stock, and we've got more coming. I'll leave a link down in the description. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.